Good day. This week we're going to hear from Alan Smith, and he is going to be talking about using a GoPro camera as he goes out into the rivers. He's on the Transylvania campus near there, and what he's going to be doing is showing some process with which I'm unfamiliar, but he explains it to his students. But by taking the camera, he basically brings the students there without obviously having everyone to traipse through the river. With that said, he also needed to edit that down. He wanted to put on some graphics and annotations that help make his point more clear. So this is going to be Alan just sort of walking through that process with this footage that you're already seeing underneath it. I just think he does a great job.
Hey, I'm Alan Smith. I teach biology here at Blue Ridge. I'm on the Transylvania County campus. Recently, I've had the opportunity to start to use Camtasia, and it's been a real benefit, the fact that we can go off campus and video record a lot of the things we do for our class. The example you're going to see here is we were collecting benthic macroinvertebrates, which is a water quality technique in the Davidson River down here close to campus. We had a new, really cheap GoPro type underwater camera, and it works really, really well for what we were attempting to show. So what we're looking for here, again, are benthic macroinvertebrates. They're the larvae form of most of the flies that live in the river. They are only found in really good, cool, clean waters. So again, the Davidson River is a perfect example where we find these. If we go down to Piedmont, down the coast, you're not going to find these. So it's a really good indicator of how clean the water is. Our students will go out, and if we have the opportunity, they'll use a kick net and kick over a few rocks. And some of these organisms will come out and go into the kick net where we collect them. We'll take them back up on the land. We'll identify them, and then we'll release. You know, it took me a while to get used to this program. I'd like to say I've gotten better over time, but you know, I'm not very computer literate, but these programs are pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory to use. The kids get a lot out of it. I get a lot out of it too, because I can use this program over and over and over every semester, tweak it here and there. So if anybody's got any questions about what I'm using it for or what I do with it, please shoot me an email. I'll be glad to talk to you about it. Otherwise, I think that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.